Today I'm gonna show you two things. But wait, it's the first thing ever. But before you check this video, make sure to check my first video on games. It's Turbo. I don't know how to pronounce it. Wait, I have to. Okay, I'm gonna show my video. The face. It's a hot time. I mean, it's a long time seeing my face. There it is. It's upside down. My camera is upside down. Wait. Don't mind me. Okay. Is the recording starting even? Because I'm scared if the recording stops. But oh wait, I have to say something. Leave it. Okay, guys, this is the second thing, and AK-47 or 47. I don't know how to pronounce it. But look at this, and you can even release this by this thing. It's the real physics, like my British Airways. So if you do like this, the ammo will get out, pop out. I don't know. Okay. Your turn is over, my boy. Now this, guys. You know this plane. This is the best. What you know about? Oh, didn't know. Sorry, I was just noting. And never mind. But this is my. So tell me. Oh, I forget saying something. You know, in my first video, I was just doing. Then what happened? You know, it is. I paused it. That's funny. But guys, I was forget something. I was saying because I was saying. Oh yeah. I was saying. Tell me in the comments, do you have this plane? And AK-47, you can buy it from Lulu in Saudi Arabia. And this plane, sadly, someone is living in Saudi. They are gonna not get this. You know why? Because I buy it from London. You know, I buy it from London airport when we were coming again to Saudi Arabia. So guys, hopefully, let me in the comments you enjoyed this game. Game video and this video. So leave me suggestions. Wait. Well, now I'm gonna show you my aeroplane, not my face. There it is, guys. How much? It's not much time, so I'm gonna not end this video. Not now. I'm gonna not leave. Okay, guys. But I have to leave sadly. But I'm gonna hang video. No, I'm gonna make this video. Happily. You know, I'm not that much. Look at this. Look at the engines. Wait. Okay. Do you see my hand? Do you see my nails? Nails. Planes. Boom. Oh. No. My karate, I mean. So, wow. Look at the scale. Look at the plane. So, I'm gonna end this when it will turn 5:30. No, 6. 6. Okay. Oh no. Don't mind my TV. I muted it. Okay? Don't mind me. So, look at this. Oh. You know me. I'm a pro. So guys, soon I'm gonna leave, but not now. You see this plane, it's beautiful, my favorite. And in the future videos I'm gonna show you a better plane that looks really real plane. Not the real plane that we fly. Never mind. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time and see you later. No, not now. It's not the time. 34, 35, 36, 37. No one. No one. So see this plane. Okay guys, thank you for oh no. Thank you guys. Oh, is that? I'm taking pictures. Great. I was not knowing how to do that. Okay. Hopefully guys, thank you guys for watching. See you next time. See you bye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will hopefully see you in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, never mind. I'm like fudgy. If you not watch him, tell me in the suggestion. And who watched Fudgy? Tell me. Bye.